Yes, welcome to the channel now. And today we are going to solve one of the issues from the Pinkary. So, like what I am going to show you first, like what is the issue actually, and this issue is not actually listed to the like the Pinkary issue said. Let's see that solve one of the issue from the Pinkary. So, okay, so basically, what happens actually? Let's see. Whenever I'm unliking this video and go to the description page, then I get back. So basically, what happened actually? See, if I liking this, come back to the uh, right? So it is not liked, right? So the issue is the same actually. Let's go to the pinkary.com. Okay, let's try here. Okay, someone is fine. We can check the issue for now. And see, you can see that there is a likes are missing actually, right? But it should be there. If I refresh the page, these likes are there. If I unlike the both, I go to the particular and they are still liked, right? So if I reload the page, they are got the likes are gone actually. So you got the idea about the issue. What is the issue actually, right? So let's see how it actually happens, right? So when we have created this like stuff, right, what we have did is let's see the show questions page. Then let's check the view, and we can see that we have uh, like button here, uh, where it is. Let's go down. Let's search it. Like, right? So we have a like button there, right? And what we are doing is we are calling axe data with like button function, right? And what we are doing is we are providing the question ID, the like exist or not, that it is liked or not, the liked count, and if it is the authorized or not, right? So that is what we are doing right now. But what actually happening here is when we come back to the page again. I mean, what actually let's do inspect and see what actually happening here, right? So basically, when I do click here, right, the like got updated, but the X data stuff is still the same, right? So whenever I go to the this, description of the questions or any particular page and come back to the like right now, I think uh, right, come back to the like where what happened actually when I like it, go inside and come back, it's missing, right? So what actually, that is the issue actually, right? So let's see um, what we can do for this particular issue, right? So let's go to the code. Basically, this is the like button, which is called from this like button, like exported from the like button, right? And what we are doing is we are getting some data, right? Then like in initialization we are setting title, text, and all stuff, other stuff. And basically in toggle like we are toggling the like button and dispatching some event and all, right? So that's what we are actually doing right now. So let's see what we can do to solve this particular issue. So basically right now what actually happen is this particular stuff is not changing when we actually like the button, right? So what we can do is we can maybe remove it from here, right? Because these two will be fixed anyhow for the like static page with stateless items. So what we can do, maybe we can um, say that x data, right? Uh, no, not x data, like data attributes like, and maybe is liked, and and data like count maybe. What do you say? So basically, for like exist, we need to do a JS. So to we get a boolean, like true or false, right? So if we do like this, right, we can write like get. Let's see what we can do is now. Mm, So now we are like not getting them from the uh like from the HTML. Now we need to get them. So what we can do is this dot uh, liked is equal to this dot, I think dollar $EL works, dot data set dot is liked, that is equal to one, or maybe we can say uh true. Let's see what we get actually first. So let's reload it. I think we need to start our bit server, right? So thanks to her that we can easily open the terminal, and we will do npm run day and minimize it, reload it, so our GS get updated with changes. So what we can now do? I think we have some JS error. Yeah, we have. We are not right now interested in that particular JS error. Actually, right now we are like interested in what uh, the data we are getting in the like button. Yeah, we found it. It's like this true, right? So we have a true in that, right? So let's see if it will work. Let's suppose it will work. This dot count is equal to not okay. They are being parsed in. Is it required? I don't think it is required. I think it's not required. I'm going to do that. Likes count, right? Is like is, let's see, like this or same way. Okay, so we have like likes count. Um, will it work like this? Yeah, we'll check anyways. We have the concept. Exactly not different, so we need to navigate ignore is there. Let's see how the navigate ignore is working. So for that we need actually check let's try to find Yeah, handle navigation. Right. So let's find where it is. Navigation. Yeah, that is the click hinton, and they are so calling it handle navigation. Right? Okay, navigate it now. That's right. Navigate it now. It should work like this. Why it is not working for us? Title is not like the title is not different also. So not really don't think what you can do. Not really fine. What is the issue? Yeah, I got this. No, the comment. Okay, my voice is a bit slow. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in also, and uh, let's zoom in. And my voice is now fine. Is it? Let Let me try to speak little bit more uh, louder. Let's go. Let me. So basically, anyone know like what I'm missing right now? Data set or is lagged, right? That would be something we should call. Otherwise, let's say, uh, for a sake, yeah, medium is the best way. If we start working, we can go further with the changes it requires. Okay, now what errors we have again? What I'm missing, I don't know, but let's say, this light is not defined again. Right? Why? Are we doing something with other? Okay, we need to uh, give a default value actually, right? Let's do that actually. What we're gonna do is light will be false by default, uh, and the count will be zero by default. Now, if it is working, yeah, now we can see the light have any errors, right? So now we have some progress. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now I think now it's will work. So it is working, right? Basically, first let's try to like it and try to reload it, right? And it is working, but his lag is not working, right? So basically, what issue is happening is his lag is not working for the case. Like his lag is. So basically, what I am thinking right now is that this true and this true both are not same. Basically, if I do like this, Is it working? Hmm, no, right? It's not actually working because like is mine actually, and where it is. Okay, like not is that is true, right? So I think let's get help from the console. What console is saying, what it has actually. Let's see. Console dot log. Yeah, perfect. What it is, what we need actually. Let's check the. Let's append this to the. Yeah, maybe to the left, right? Let's see the console. False, 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 false. Okay. First was true, right? So this is true actually. We are getting true from it. Is it like we need to do something like this? Let's see. So yeah, it worked. So like, do you think it's cool to have uh like thing with the zero and one will be a good approach, but that will be also with the string quotation. Let's keep it like this for now. Then we will do it again. Okay. So basically, now we are getting likes from uh, the like from here rather than the at any other places, right? So basically, when the like count is zero, right? I think we need to parse it. Yeah. So let's do parse it. Right now, we can actually see there's no one. If the count to zero, we have to pass it to the number. Already, the like count is not changing. Let's don't do a passing for now. Let's see. So it is one actually now. Zero one, zero one. Yeah. But we have a zero here, right? So we need to take care that too. Let's see. We can do that later. But before that, what we need to do is whenever like we are doing a like or a dislike, right? We are doing a count plus plus right here, and we are also doing a count minus minus. We are doing the false and true, right? So I think what we can do is we don't need to do this actually. Right? Is this will work by default, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It's working. Perfect. Okay, nice. So basically now while doing count plus plus and like doing a like changing the like, right? What we're gonna do is um this dot dollar real, and like basically we, yeah, that we're gonna do, and this dot like when like likes count is there, we're gonna update that too, right? And same for the um, yeah, basically now we have repeated stuff like this. No, we don't have repeated actually. This is true, this is false, but this is repeated. I think that's okay. It's okay. We can do this. Dot is liked, so can we now repeat this? Dot is liked, so now it is repeated, and this for all stuff is actually repeated. Okay, let's come to this later because the work. If the thing is working or not, main thing issue first, right? So now we are unliking this particular stuff, going to the oh, okay, I think it's now become more glitchy. What actually happened? When the like button, uh, like count is zero and is like is false, but this is still like okay. Do we have like any hello? Okay. So do we have like anything to like parse anything to the like any stuff to the bull? Let's see. Let's get some help from the AI. Parse this into then what it's gonna do? Let's see. Oops. Basically, same thing. What we were doing initially. Yeah. So basically, I think it's good. So let's see. I think my voice is still not going better as I was thinking, but let's move to the headphones. Is my voice better? Let's see. Hmm, I changed it actually. Let's see. Okay, now what we're gonna do is actually, um, okay, we have already done some stuff, so we can check. Uh, okay, now I think the light button is working properly. Even when I go to like detail page and come back to the uh, main page. But yeah, this zero is something extra which shouldn't be there, right? So let's see what. Uh, okay, I think the count stuff is doing some. So should I pass it to the integer? Like with pass, thing? I hope it will gonna work. So let's see. Yeah, now I think this is the perfect stuff, right? Let's go back. So let's go in. Let's go back. Now this issue seems to be solved, right? Now, like this is something we were actually thinking to solve and we was able to solve it. Now what we can do is actually, I think this is now good. This is also working fine, so, right? I think this is also now working fine, right? All the things are now actually working. This. We have some type of this we don't need it. Okay. So now I think the issue is actually been solved, but let's see we have some duplication here and here too, right? For that, what you can do is actually, what you can do? Hmm, we can simply create one function. Mm, insert all, no, mm, yeah, we need four. Set all, okay, okay. So set all now doing this stuff, but what you can do is you can just cut this out from that and just put it over here. You can remove this stuff from here. You can remove it from that. You can call that all here and right. And maybe if you go further up and you wanna do that all here, that's okay, I guess. Okay, perfect. It's working fine actually. Come inside. Yeah, that will not gonna work actually. If you are from like inside and you like toggle the uh like button and you are coming back, it will not work. And it's I think for a like display application maybe it will not work maybe I don't know.
But that is another issue actually. What issue we were like supposed to solve is actually solved. So when I do undo like and come back, it should be set at the same what it was actually. That issue has been solved, right? Okay. Now we need to create a branch which we wanna uh, say fix like button. Okay, it is not working with the like button. Should not work with the other buttons too, right? So let's see fix uh, button with back button again. No, like just back. We will explain more in the app. Okay, so this has been solved actually, right? Now I think we will have a same issue with the bookmark button. Where is the bookmark button, right? So you can see the bookmark button. We are doing the same here. We will remove it. Now we know how to solve it. So that will be much easier for us. Yeah, it's bookmark and bookmark count, right? So let's find this um, at the uh, yeah, here it is, right? So what we're gonna do is we will say that by default bookmark is false, right? We don't need this stuff. We will if it is authenticated add up and we will put it like a 0. What we will do is this bookmark is equal to bookmark. Yeah, we will pass it. We will create one method called set all